Welcome to Garment Pro ERP system. Today, I will show you a tutorial about how to receive purchased items. Before item stocks in, it needs to proceed with quality control to check the item's quality. Okay, let's start. Sign in into the system, and then click the top right menu icon to open the menu page. On the top of menu, click the block named Transactions. You will find that the Purchase block. Click it, then click the Goods Receive Order to go to the order interface. Let's import the item from Purchase Order. Click the top right corner option, and then click Purchase, and then click Fabric PO. It is a import list page. You can see the top of page. There are some searching criteria to search item which looking for. Below that, it is a result list. By default, all items on the list are shown which not handle yet. That means these items ready to receive, but not delivery yet. Let's import all of them. The item and the price information are imported. Let's go to the first tab, Stock In, to review the information. It is the order header information. Since we are making a goods received before QC, the system treats it as a need to pay the order. So, the due date becomes important, which will transfer to the accounting module as account payable. Furthermore, the due date is an auto calculation by payment terms. So if the payment term is not set, the due date will be set to the order creation date automatically. After that, we can save the orders and get a new order number. Okay, let's approval the order. Once approval of the order will be locked and placed in the quality control area. At the same time, the due date and amount will be transferred to the account module in credit. You can see that an orange icon is lighted, which means the order is locked. Okay, let's preview the printout. This is the printout. Here, I do not describe the preview function. If you want no more detail, please find the video from information tag in the top right corner. Okay, let's review the account aging of that supplier. Close the preview, and then click the top right menu icon to open the menu page. On the top of menu, click the block named Financial. You will find that the aging block. Click it, then click the account payable to go to the aging interface. Let's search the supplier. You can see that the amount of goods receive order is transferred to accounting modules. In the next tutorial, we will create a quality control document to handle the item quality checking. That is the end of tutorial. Thank you for your watching.